Welcome to today's Dutch lesson. Today we learn family words. Laten we beginnen. Let's begin. Our first word is vader. Vader means father in English. Dit is vader. Vader is lief. Our next word is moeder. Moeder means mother in English. Dit is moeder. Moeder is thuis. Next, we have broer. Broer means brother in English. Ik heb een broer. I have a brother. Mijn broer is groot. My brother is tall. Now let's learn zus. Zus means sister in English. Ik heb een zus. I have a sister. Mijn zus leest. My sister is reading. Our fifth word is opa. Opa means grandfather in English. Mijn opa is oud. My grandfather is old. Opa drinkt koffie. Grandfather drinks coffee. Finally, we have oma. Oma means grandmother in English. Mijn oma is lief. My grandmother is sweet. Oma bakt taart. Grandmother bakes cake. Let's recap today's words. 1. Vader is father. 2. Moeder is mother. 3. Broer is brother. 4. Zus is sister. 5. Opa is grandfather. 6. Oma is grandmother. Great work today.